Hey everybody, Mitchell Moore here, trying to help you feed your family, and I brought somebody along. Say hi to Fancy. Uh, but this video is not about her. She is doing great. This video is actually about King Arthur flour. This unbleached all-purpose flour is fantastic. I have actually experimented with Fancy over the past what's it been? 3 years, 2 years, 3 years. And I've tried other flours, but this, for the money, this is just the best. She has developed really great flavors. And I love the fact that it's unbleached. It's 100% American wheat. I'm not really, sold on other wheats. This is kind of just the best when it comes to all-purpose unbleached. So feed your starter if you have a Fancy at home. I've already gotten messages from some of you saying I still have my starter. Congratulations, that is great. We are going to be making some bread and some pancakes and things like that in other videos. I just wanted to say shout out to King Arthur Flour because this product is great. Thanks. Go feed your family.